Adding animations is very simple. Let me add two images to my project. One like this, that is a static image of a game character, and one like this that, as you can see, contains a sequence of animation frames. Maybe it's more obvious with this one. So let me add these images to my project, and then I'm going to drag the static one onto the scene. This creates a new scene object. Now in the sprites editor for this scene object, I'm going to click New Animation. And here in the image field, I'm going to select, for example, the idle animation. As you can see, this automatically tries to determine how many animation cells there are in the animation. And in this case, it got it right because it's exactly 5 by 2. You can preview the animation by clicking this active switch, and you can see that it starts animating. If you want, you can make the animation loop, and you can change all these other parameters. You will do the same for different types of animations. You can also name them, so it's then easier to play them back.